Hi everybody, happy Monday. Welcome to this week's project. We are on day 3 of 12 days of crafting, and for this project we are going to make bath salts. Now, what we need for this project, we need some sea salt, we need some Epsom salts, we need some baking soda, we need some essential oils, dried flowers, we need a bowl and a spoon, and we also need 1/8 of a cup, 1/4 cup, and a 1/2 cup measuring. All right, let's get started. So the first thing you need is Epsom salt. You need 1/2 cup of Epsom salt, and any kind will do. This is just, generic stuff from Target. Anything really will work. Put it right in the bowl, just like that. Mush up the lumps. Okay, and then you are going to add 1/4 cup of sea salt. I picked cake sea salt. Black sea salt would work too. Any kind of salt that's has these large crystals. Okay, I'm gonna add that right in. And then you are going to add 1/8 of a cup of baking soda, and that will help it fizz. Put it right on top, just like that. Help it fizz when it gets in the water. Okay, so you're gonna use that spoon if there's any lumps, kind of break them up like this. I don't mind getting my hands messy. Okay, gonna mix it up so it kind of looks just like this. Now, this is where you are going to add your essential oils. I'm going to add about 5 drops of orange. All right, we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a little more. This smells so good. What do you think, Roz?
Oh, that smells really good.
Yeah.
Smells so strong too.
Oh, it does. It smells so good. And I'm gonna maybe add, what do you think? Just a little bit of lavender?
Sure.
Sure. So today, because I'm here at the library, I have a different camera person. Miss Roz is recording me. She's got lots of talents. I'm adding about 3 drops. All right. Oh my God, I wish you guys could smell it. All right. Doesn't that look great?
Oh, it does.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, this will be so nice to take a bath in December, especially on a cold day.
Ooh, it will be perfect.
Ooh, won't it?
Yeah.
I want to keep this for myself. All right. Now, this is where you take the jar and you are going to spoon it in. And you know that I always make a huge mess, so I'm gonna not dump it. I'm just gonna try and scoop this in because I'll end up with it on the table. Okay. Oh, can you get that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay. It should. Oh, I'm gonna make a mess here at the end. I'm just gonna dump it all in, just like this. All right. Oh, it wouldn't be a good project with Miss Nancy if I didn't make a mess. All right, so once it's in and it looks like this, isn't that beautiful?
That's so pretty.
Isn't that so pretty? So if you would like, at the very top, add a few flowers. I just have some dried flowers right here, and I'm just gonna throw them on the top. And wouldn't that be really pretty in your bath? And they smell, again, they smell so good. All right. And there you go. There is bath salts in a jar, and it is really, that would make a great gift for somebody or for yourself. So this will be, as I said, this is the 3rd project for 12 days of crafting, and all the materials that you see here will be available starting tomorrow. You will get all of the ingredients, plus the essential oils and some dried flowers, and it'll make a great gift, like I said, for you or for somebody else. Make sure you stop in early because, as you know, these gift bags go fast. Miss Roz will be here on Wednesday, and she will be doing a stress putty with you. Until then, I hope everybody has a great week, and I hope to see you in the library to pick up one of these go bags.